Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox on error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. First is we have to use the search bar at the bottom and then type out percent temp percent. Okay, so make sure to type this out and then click on this folder. Now that you have successfully located this folder, so make sure to delete everything here. Okay, so since I'm not encountering such issues, so I'm not going to delete these folders. But if you do, make sure to delete this one. So after that, try opening your Roblox and try playing a game. But if the issue persists, as we have to proceed to our next method. Okay, so just use the search bar again at the bottom. Okay, and then type out percent updata percent and then open that folder. Now tap on the app data at the top and then tap on the local. Now you'll need to search for your Roblox folder. Okay, so make sure to delete this one. Then right after that, you will need to install the Roblox application again in your device. And then when you open it and try playing a game, the issue will be no longer present. Okay, so for example, this one. So I'm going to try this out. And then let's just wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, I am now playing the Roblox application smoothly. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.